When performing a backup of any type, the following error message is received in the backup report. The message suggests that there are insufficient disk space available on the AhsayCBS installation volume, or the volume where AhsayCBS is installed, or the user home of the corresponding backup account. To resolve the issue, free up sufficient disk space on the AhsayCBS installation volume, or the user home volume in concern. Alternatively, you can also create new user storage to your AhsayCBS server, then move selective backup accounts to the new user home to free up disk space. For instructions on how to add additional user storage, check the KB article link in the description below. You can also move backup accounts with the Move Export Import Users feature on the AhsayCBS web console. Under Backup or Restore, select User Groups and Policies. For further details on AhsayCBS Administrator's Guide, check the link in the description below.